Touche was a lonely boy. He was one of a kind, the last of his breed. Constantly tormented by everyone.
Gotta defend yourself here, Bobby, or they're gonna ride you for the whole season.
You don't have what they call the social skill. That's why you never have any friends, except for your mama.
Until one day, they pushed him too far.
Daddy's gone, but not for
And
too long.
turn him
Make a
loose.
mess and he never will see. Mommy's out and without a doubt.
And his only joy was his job.
You gotta get the hell out of here, you dumb animal!
She said, I'm gonna take this $2 bottle of wine and try to make time go as fast as it can. Wanna get me a new life and forget about you. Taking my
Poor sweet boy.
Sweet boy.
He's no harm. He always keeps to himself.
By God, she will be a queen of the kingdom someday.